Potential hazard of volcanic eruption. Several hazards may affect the area around the volcano, such as lava flows, pyroclastic flows, lahars, jaculobs, and landslides or debris avalanches. Volcanic activity also produces hazards that can affect areas far from the volcano, such as tephra or ash falls, releases of gas, and tsunamis. What is the sign of impending volcanic eruption? An increase in the frequency and intensity of felt earthquakes. Noticeable steaming or fumarolic activity and new or enlarged areas of hot ground. Subtle swelling of the ground surface. Small changes in heat flow. Changes in the composition or relative abundances of fumarolic gases. Prepare now. Know your area's risk from volcanic eruption. Ask local emergency management for evacuation and shelter plans, and for potential means of protection from ash. Get necessaripolis in advance, including non-perishable foods, cleaning supplies, and water for several days. In case you have to evacuate immediately or if services are cut off, keep in mind each person's specific needs, including medication. Practice a communication cave with everyone in your family. Have a shelter-in-place plan if your biggest risk is from ash. Keep important documents in a safe place. Create password-protected digital copies. Survive during. Listen to alerts. The volcano notification service provides up-to-date information about eruptions. Follow evacuation orders from local authorities. Evacuate early. Avoid areas downwind and river valleys downstream of the volcano. Rubble and ash will be carried by wind and gravity. Take temporary shelter from volcanic ash in the location where you are. If you have enough supplies, cover ventilation openings and seal doors and windows. Be safe after. Listen to authorities to find out when it is safe to return after an eruption. Stay indoors until authorities say it is safe to go outside. Send text messages or use social media to reach out to family and friends. Phone systems often are busy after a disaster. Only make emergency calls. Do not get on your roof to remove ash unless you have guidance or training. If you have to remove ash, then be very careful as ash makes surfaces slippery. Be careful not to contribute additional weight to an overloaded roof. Wear protective clothing and a mask when cleaning up. Children should not help with cleanup efforts. Why do vinegar react with baking soda? They react because one is a base while the other is an acid. Acids and bases each have different parts of H2O or water. Bases contain an O, or an oxygen and hydrogen atom, which together is known as hydronium. Acids contain the other H1 hydrogen.